In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to adjust the look and layout, fine-tune how messages appear, and set default fonts so Outlook feels tailored to you. First, open Outlook in your web browser or desktop app and sign in. Give the inbox a second to load so all the menus appear. If you use Outlook often, consider keeping it pinned in your taskbar or bookmarking it so it's easy to get back to. Next, click the Settings gear in the upper right. On the web, this opens a quick panel. If you don't see the option you need right away, look for a link that says View All Outlook Settings. That's where the full menu lives. From there, head to the General section and select Appearance. This is where you control how Outlook looks overall. You can switch the Office theme to dark gray, black, or white. Dark themes are easier on the eyes in low light, while white is bright and high contrast during the day. Try each one and notice how it affects your message list and reading area. If you're on the web, you may also see options that adjust density and background. Choose what makes text easiest for you to scan. Now, refine how you work with messages. Open the view options. Here you can toggle the reading pane, choose whether messages open on the right below or only when you click into them, and decide how much of the message preview you want to see. If you like a minimalist look, hide the reading pane. If you triage quickly, keep it on the right for speed. This is also where you can turn focused inbox on or off. With focused inbox enabled, Outlook separates high priority mail into focused and everything else into other. If you prefer seeing everything in one list, simply turn it off. Next, go to Settings, then Email, and choose Compose and Reply. This page controls how your messages look when you write them. Under Fonts, set your default font family, size, and color. Pick something readable and professional, nothing too small or too light, and consider how it appears in both light and dark themes. Your choice here applies to new messages and replies, so it saves time every day. Finally, take a minute to explore more customization. Within Settings, you'll find additional options for layout, notifications, and how the folder pane appears. Small adjustments like message density or which actions show on hover can make a big difference in comfort and speed. That's it. You've customized Outlook's appearance, layout, and default writing style, so your inbox works the way you do.